You're watching How Leap. Let's try to fix the iPhone green line problem at home. First, restart your iPhone by pressing and holding the side button and volume button until the power slider appears. Slide to turn off, then turn it back on. If the line persists, check for software issues by updating your iOS in Settings under General and Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Next, perform a forced restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can reset the display driver. Check for physical damage. Even a small impact can cause display issues. If you recently dropped your phone, the screen or its connector may be loose. As a last DIY step, back up your iPhone and perform a factory reset via Settings under General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then erase all content and settings. If the green line remains after all these steps, it is almost certainly a hardware fault with the display or its internal connection, which requires professional repair or a screen replacement by Apple or an authorized service provider. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.